Fixing something to the wall and not sure what size to drill the hole? Here's an easy trick to choose the right size drill bit. For plasterboard, use a stud finder to check if there's something solid to fix into. If not, you'll need a wall anchor of sorts. Some stud finders also show the location of wires or pipes. You definitely don't want to hit those. To be safe, turn the power off at the mains before you begin. Make sure you use a drill bit designed for the material you're drilling into, whether it's plasterboard, masonry or tiles. Then start with your screw. It's got a central shank and the thread spiralling around it. Your drill bit should be no bigger than the size of the shank. To check, hold the bit up in front of the screw. If you can see the shank and the thread, the bit's too small. If you can't see the thread, it's too big. If you can see the thread but not the central shank, you're spot on. For wall anchors, the drill bit should be the same size as the anchor, and make sure to follow the specific instruction on the pack. If you're unsure, err on the side of too small and size up if needed. And that's it. Easy as.